Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our first chapter, that is crop production. In previous video already you have learned that there are agricultural basic practices like preparation of soil, sowing of seeds and application of manure and fertilizers. Yes, okay. But students, today we are going to discuss about the fourth basic practices, that is called as irrigation. Do you know that students what the irrigation? Yeah, you have heard a number of times irrigation. Irrigation means that is the applying of water to the plants or to the field. So the farmers are using different methods for the irrigation or of the irrigation to apply for the plants. So how they are applying, what are the methods they are applying, and what are the benefits and what are the essential the irrigation or that water to the plant we will study in this video. Okay students, तुमको पता है कैसे हमें जो इरिगेशन कर रहे हैं, तुमको फ्लावर का प्लांट में पानी दे रहे हैं, हमको पता है. Yeah, you know the students very well, without water nobody, no any organisms, living organisms cannot exist or cannot survive their life. Yeah, so every plants or whatever may be, like animals, plants or animals, they need water to survive their life or to live, yes, on the earth. So for that it is very important part, very important basic practices in the agricultural field. So the farmers must want to learn that and they must want to understand what are the different methods, and we have to discuss in this video. Okay, look at the students. First of all, I have written that fourth number because already third practices already you have completed. One is preparation of soil, second one is sowing of seeds, third one is applying, what is that, manure and fertilizers. Okay, now फोर्थ प्रिपरेशन दैट इज कॉल्ड एज इरिगेशन. फार्मर क्या करेंगे फोर्थ में, कैसे करना है, ये 3 होने के बाद जब फर्टिलाइजर्स अप्लाई कर दिया, प्लांट्स लगा दिया, मतलब सीड्स लगाने के बाद फिर क्या करना है ना, अप्लाई करना है, क्या है, वाटर. इट इज़ वेरी एसेंशियल. इरिगेशन मीन्स सप्लाइंग वाटर टू द क्रॉप्स इन द फील्ड एट द स्पेसिफिक इंटरवल. पर्टिकुलर टाइम, पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस, पर्टिकुलर इंटरवल पे हमें फार्मर्स क्या करना है, प्लांट को सप्लाई करना है, क्या है, वाटर. इट इज़ वेरी एसेंशियल. व्हाट आर दैट इंपॉर्टेंस, वी विल डिस्कस. वाटर इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द क्रॉप्स. फर्स्ट वन, जर्मिनेशन ऑफ सीड्स डज नॉट टेक प्लेस विदाउट वाटर. जो जर्मिनेशन सीड हमें डाला, जो नर्सरी पे जो प्लांट्स, जो सीड्स, जो स्प्राउट निकला था, वो जो हमें डाला किधर, प्लांट में, सॉरी फील्ड में, वो क्या होता, जब हमें ड्राई फील्ड में हमें डायरेक्ट वो सीड्स को अप्लाई कर देंगे वो प्लांट्स को, तो क्या हो जाएगा, वो डाई हो जाए, मर जाएगा वो. ओके, मतलब वो डेवलप नहीं होगा. तो इसके लिए क्या करना है, हमको वाटर अप्लाई करना है, सप्लाई करना है उसका पर. तो जर्मिनेशन ऑफ द सीड्स डज नॉट टेक प्लेस विदाउट वाटर. जो जर्मिनेशन सीड्स जो जर्मिनेटेड हुआ था, वो सीडलिंग्स, वो क्या होता, वो प्लांट डेवलप नहीं होगा विदाउट वाटर. रूट्स ऑफ फेल टू डेवलप एंड एनलेगेंटेड इन द ड्राई सॉइल विदाउट वाटर. जब उसका ड्राई सॉइल हो जाएगा, ड्राई सॉइल पे हम रखा देंगे वो प्लांट को और जो जर्मिनेटेड सीड्स को लगा देंगे, तो क्या होगा, वो सीडलिंग को लगाएंगे तो क्या होता, उसका जो रूट्स कैन नॉट पेनिट्रेट टू द सॉइल और टू द ड्राई सॉइल. हमें इरिगेटेड करेंगे तो मतलब whenever you will supply the water, then you will get the smoothness of the soil, then it is very easy to penetrate their roots. Okay, so and it will become elongated. Nutrients cannot move from the soil in the absence of water. The nutrients cannot move, whatever we have applied, manures or the fertilizers or whatever the nutrients are present in the soil, they cannot move from the soil. It cannot reach to the plants if there is no water. It protects the plants from the frost and hot air in the air current. So if there is a dry soil is there without water, if we keep that germinated seeds or the plants, then what will happen? They cannot exist because of sunlight and it will become dried up. It cannot balance it that body. Okay, so or hot air with it will dried off. Okay, so these are the very important parts of the water whenever we are supplying that water for the plants. Okay, did you understand, students, what are the importance of the water supply to the plants? Okay, first is without water that germinated seeds cannot develop or cannot what is that take place or cannot live. Second thing, what is it cannot penetrate that or it cannot enlarge that their roots, or it third things, it cannot get that what nutrients whatever that it is present in the soil. Fourth things, it cannot balance it or it cannot exist by the sunlight or hot air because of there is no water in the soil. If you will get that water is there, then what will happen? That through the roots it can receive and can do that transpiration. Okay, so these are about that very important, whatever the importance of water for the plants. Now students, will discuss about that sources of irrigation. Do you know that, students, sources from where we are getting this water? Okay, you know that very well. In that social studies also you have studied so many way we are getting that water. First of all, we are getting from the rain also we are getting. Yes, from the pond we are getting, river we are getting, pumps we are getting, boring we are getting, dams we are getting. There are so many sources are there where from where we are getting the water. Okay, some farmers they are taking the water from the well, some farmers they are taking water from the river, ponds. Okay, so there by that way they are applying or supplying the water to the plants or to the field. Now we will discuss about the, students, you should see fields are irrigated with water from ponds, lakes, canal, wells, tube wells, rivers and dams. Methods of irrigation, क्या method है? There are two methods, general students. One is traditional method, another one is modern method. Okay, do you know that, students? Traditional method क्या होता ना, जो पहले हुआ मतलब अभी डेवलप हो गया हमारा जो एग्रीकल्चर technology, it was now developed. So before that before days when that it was not modern tradition, that technology was not developed, at that time what are the methods we are using by the farmers? We will study first of all that is called as a traditional method. Moat, that is a pulley system, chain pump, deckley and a rahat. In your books also there are so many pictures are there, you can observe how it is. Okay, what is that? Moat, chain, deckley and a rahat. These four are the traditional system. Okay, traditional method. And another one is modern method. Modern methods now it was developed more, that is called as sprinkle system and a drip system. Sprinkle system means that everywhere it will be sprinkle like rain, like it will fall, and a drip system means one by particular place it will fall. That I will discuss in that next video. What are that methods of what is that irrigation. Okay, students, thank you all of you. You all this web chat also you have tried, very important that what are the traditional methods, 4 methods are there, and modern methods are there, 2 methods are there, sprinkle methods and what is that drip method. This you should write down this web chat. Okay, and this notes completely you should write and also remember. Thank you all, students, and next we will discuss about that what are that methods, especially what are that modern methods and what is that traditional methods we will discuss in the next video. Thank you all of you.